Welcome guys to this tutorial video. Today I will show you how to delete your Crunchyroll account easy and quick. So you just need to follow and watch this video till the end. So you have to open first your Crunchyroll. Right now it will open directly on your homepage, as you know. Go click on account here. So after this you just need to go to this option or scroll down this list until you found delete my account. Click delete, click I understand account deletion, click continue to account deletion. Then it will take you to another page when you click here, and you should follow the other steps. For me, I don't want to delete my account for now, so you have to do it by yourself. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next tutorial.